Hi, I'm Jay with Family Handyman, and today I want to talk to you about Japanese saws and why I love them so much. I have a lot of these, but my favorite is the Ryoba. The reason I like Japanese saws is they cut on the pull stroke. And the reason I like the Ryoba the best is it has two sets of teeth, one for rip cutting and one for cross cutting. When you're notching an end of a piece of wood or cutting a tenon, we're cutting with the grain and across the grain. That's why I love this saw, because it does both. I'm going to start by cutting across the grain. Flipping the saw around and with the grain and cutting with the larger teeth. So what I love about this saw so much is in the same amount of time that I can run over to my chop saw, get it set up and make a cut, I can already have the cut done. This saw cuts clean and it cuts fast. Another great thing about Japanese saws is you can change the blade when they get dull. It's just that easy to pull this blade out and swap it with a new one. This Japanese Ryoba saw is Family Handyman approved. To see more products that are tested and approved, visit familyhandyman.com.